Hello students, welcome to my channel Educate Everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the sounds of the and the. Here we will understand the sound of the and the, although the spelling is the same, that is THE. So first let me discuss about what is vowel and what is consonant. Vowel is A, E, I, O, U. Means there is 5 vowel and except A, E, I, O, U, all the alphabets are called consonant. We use the when the word is going to start from vowel after it. And we use the when the word is going to start with consonant after it. For example, the boy and the end. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.